morning, biscuits. Guess who we are today? The Grand Canyon. We made the drive out here. I charged the camera because the battery was totally dead, and I went, oh no, I can't show the biscuits the gorgeous Grand Canyon. So we're gonna stop by the Geology Museum, meet up with family, and see how that all goes. What do you think? What do you think of the Grand Canyon? He doesn't like the plan, but we're gonna try it out. So come along for some awesome giant huge hole in the ground. Heck yeah. Abraham, come see this giant hole that people fall into and get eaten. He was telling me all about the people that disappear.
Oh, there's a river.
Don't go too near.
Oh, yeah.
See the river?
Hey, to see the Grand Canyon at 3 months old.
Grand Canyon. Abraham, come here. What do you think of the giant hole? There's a squirrel. The coolest thing is a squirrel, apparently.
I know. The Grand Canyon.
This whole thing is the hole. Listen to the talk. Abraham, do you want to go do the talk about rocks? Or do you just want to look at these? Look what he found. What do you think that is? Are those samples of different types of water down here? Whoa, before the dam and after. That's kind of cool. This is fun little space to take in. Warm up on a cold winter day. It is? What type of liquid is it?
They actually pour liquid.
Wow.
How much this liquid is pool water?
Is it? It says before Canyon Dam flows through the canyon today and the muddy Colorado River.
That actually happened that there was supposed to be in the 1980s.
Whoa, the 1980s. Okay, we lasted 5 minutes in the museum. Abraham, let me come look at your arm again. And then we put on our walking gear because somebody is being a sad sack about being at the Grand Canyon. Yeah, this way. You have to follow mommy if you want to play. So I got my merch hat on and our jacket. It's kind of a little bit too warm for this jacket, but it's a little bit cold without it. This way, Biscuit. And we wanted to find the geology tour, but I think it left without us. We were too slow. Okay, Abraham. He is making me question traveling with 5-year-old. 4-year-old, fine. 3-year-old, great. 5-year-olds, horrible to travel with. Come on. Truly dreadful. It's okay. This too is a season of life that shall pass. Walking along. I mean, the Grand Canyon is spectacularly interesting looking. As someone who is terrified of heights, I like that, you know, you can look from afar and not feel like you're gonna fall in. But it is so interesting. It's such a different climate than we have in Seattle. Whoa, we found some ice on the ground to kick at. Wow. It's quite beautiful. But it doesn't necessarily hold small kids' attention. So it is important to come up with kind of other things. So, you know, stacking little pebbles, jumping on rocks, that kind of stuff to keep them occupied. So maybe better for older kids. But it's also nice to go do things that you as a parent love to do. And try to teach children that not everything is about their enjoyment. That's something we're working on this year because he's really struggling with it. Because he's just really going through a self-centered phase right now. And it's interesting to see this conversation develop. Okay, we stopped for snacks. So we brought chips and cookies. What else is a good snack? What's the best snack? What do you think? Chocolate is the best snack. I agree with that. I think that's true. Oh yeah, would you like a tasty bit of milk chocolate?
Oh, sure.
Mm-hmm. We're documenting an Abrahamosaurus in his natural habitat with his native feed grain, the potato chip, as he finds all the mud and dirt that can be found in the Grand Canyon area. Tell me, Abrahamosaurus, what is the key to a saurus's life?
My name's not Abraham Horowitz.
Oh, so sorry. What was your name then, sir?
Abraham.
Oh, hi, Abraham.
We keep forgetting.
I was just kidding. I was joking. I know your name. It's hard to forget, surprisingly.
What, you guys?
Yeah.
What do you about it?
Oh, I was pretending that you were a dinosaur running wild. That was my joke about
What
an
were you
Abraham sword.
talking about?
Oh, what's the key to a good Abraham's existence? Is it potato chips?
Right?
What's the key to being happy?
Who?
For you.
Food I have.
Food? Okay, well there you go. That's a good answer.
I love to.
Oh, okay. Love and food. I think those are the best answers. Good job. Let's keep walking. Oh yeah. Well, did we take a fun photo for our family wall of photos?
Why does the train cross the road?
Why did the train cross the road? I don't know.
Guess.
To eat all the bagels and cream cheese.
No.
No, why did it?
To eat a hammock.
I like sandwiches. Should we go see if the pizza place has a sandwich? We were gonna go get lunch in the park at a pizza place with my family and see
They're not your
if
family.
they are my family.
They are your friends.
No, they're my family.
They are your
Tia Kia is my sister. We grew up together. We're only 3 years apart. She was 3 when I was born.
So you little boy.
No, they won't. They'll take it away if we bring it home. Here is Abraham's deconstructed Sammy.
My hammy did put it in movie.
But we got some sandwiches to eat. And the relatives just left so I could turn my camera back on because they are not a fan of the YouTubing.
Over him.
Did you?
No him. Okay, I think we're gonna head back towards Williams now. Abraham has gotten to the point where he's just in the car, not wanting to get out for any of the stuff. Doesn't want to do any of the hiking. Breathtaking. Even if the 5-year-old does not appreciate it, it's really lovely. What's something in your state or your country that you think is just breathtaking, beautiful, that always expands horizons of tourists that come see it? I think Grand Canyon's got to be one of the big ones for the U.S. because it's just so majestic and expansive, and even though it's filled with life, you just get this alien rocky solitude to it. It's really beautiful. You can see the Rio Grande down there. It just flown away. As much as we try to hinder nature, you know. Okay, I better go back to the hamster. But look at that beautiful thing. It's a pretty neat canyon. Wait, what was that? What did you say? That you love and want to stay here and look at the Grand Canyon more? No.
No? You don't think the Grand Canyon is amazing?
If you look one more time, I will hide.
It's gonna fire me. So I guess we have to go to Williams and go to the playground. But I sure love the Grand Canyon.
You can look at it tomorrow, maybe.
I think tomorrow we'll go home. Pie. This is the biggest pie ever, Abraham. It's just the size of your head.
Would you like to pass some to other people?
Oh, I think we're good on utensils.
I need one.
Yeah. Would you like to have some words? Here is one that.
The biggest pie of all time. Look, that pie. We're going to focus on our faces. It wants to focus on the pie. What do you think, Abraham? Is it good?
Yeah.
It is a chocolate raspberry pie. It's like the best favorites of all time.
Like a dolphin.
It does kind of look like a dolphin. Look at that. And biscuits. We have the super biscuit. We got it for you. Are you a super Pokemon catcher?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. So we finished our pie. Sorry, I didn't film a lot in there, but we were busy hanging out and chatting. Oh, let's go this way and we'll walk towards more.
No, I hear another one though.
Oh, okay, grab it. Toss it, toss it. Oh, almost. Oh, try again. Okay, careful with where the ball is. Whoa, we got him! 2 on the first go.
Sometimes you see my hate.
I know, sometimes they do escape. But we were just having a nice time in there with family. It's delicious. I loved my biscuit. It was like an English scone. It was really good with strawberries. Yum, yum. And now we are hunting Pokemon around Williams to have a little fun, stretch our legs. 2 Pokemon. We're going to get at least 4 Pokemon in Williams. We're going to have Arizona Pokemon on our phone now. This is exciting. Williams is very cute. It's about an hour plus drive, an hour or so, to the Grand Canyon from here. But I think it's a really cute, old westy, total tourist town. And I don't mind, because we're tourists, you know, enjoying touristy towns. Oh, there are.
This is your head poke.
Okay.
We got him. That when you hit the yellow ring, that means it all.
Okay, well let's keep looking. Okay, we're gonna go back to the hotel. Have a little leftover pie. Okay. And then we're gonna tuck in because tomorrow we have a big old long day. We have to drive 3 hours, maybe a little bit more, but probably 3+ hours to Phoenix, drop off the car, get to the airport, fly back to Everett, and then be home. It'll be so nice. We have missed Washington. It's been a big, long, emotional trip, hasn't it? It really has. It's felt long and arduous.
Could you try and get that Pokemon?